Look at that. I got a free generator from someone on Facebook. They parked it working, they said, and but they didn't use it for quite a while. Someone else, they said, used it in between. They mentioned it was hard to start, but it worked eventually. And then it sit for another, I don't know, year, maybe more. So this is a genuine will it start video. I never tried to start it. I didn't even turn it yet. So let's try first. See if the engine is stuck. That is very light. Have a look at the air filter. I'm guessing it's gonna be here on the side in here. Sometimes they're so old that they just fall apart when you touch them, and when you start the engine it will suck in bits of air filter. Then you have a whole bunch of carbon. Like I do have here a little nest of something. That was easy enough. Yeah, I think that is clean enough. So the main thing is the gasoline is old. I might wanna take out the old gasoline, put some fresh one in. That will make it so much easier to start. That rubber hose is a bit old. No, I think that's gonna break if I take it off. So instead I will use this thing to suck out the gasoline. Yeah, well, almost 2 liters gasoline. It's a lot of money nowadays. But now the tank also looks quite clean inside. It's just around here where the cap is that there is a bit of rust that will come right off. Look at that. Oh my god. Let's check the oil first. Well, there is oil. That is a good sign. So do you screw this in to check the oil, or do you just hold it in there to check the oil? Well, it's like on the middle level. What there's left to do is turn the gasoline on. Thinking it should be in engine on and breaker off to start, right? Okay, let's see if we have spark. You see spark plug here. Yeah, there's some corrosion on it. Let's see if I can show that. See that little bit of green stuff on the inside? I'll scrape that off. Okay, where can I put it so that I can pull the starter and see if it sparks? Let's try on here. Oh, that sparks. That has a great spark. that was running on brake cleaner. Yeah, I think it might not be getting any gasoline. So this plate has a bunch of mush on it. I'm gonna just clean that all off. I mean, there's not a bunch of gunk in there, just a little bit of rust on the bottom. Running without choke now. Okay, I'll put the air filter back on. Let's try it again. It's running. Surging a little bit, so that still means it needs clean on the carburetor, or maybe just let it run for a bit, maybe it will clean out by itself. And on the other plug. Under load, it runs good. But does it make toast? This toaster is over 1000 watts, 1030. Hard to focus on that. Have a delicious slice of home baked bread here. Makes toast. But can we make toast? Well, we're vacuuming. Delicious golden brown toast. Right. So as you can hear, it does surge a bit when it's not under load. I guess that means the carburetor still needs a bit of a clean. Didn't really clean itself out by running for a bit, which I was hoping for. On the other hand, as soon as it's under load, it runs just fine, and that's what it's meant to do. So this is a really nice backup for when the electricity is down, or if I need to do something on the other side of the field where we don't have electricity. So that's great. I guess nothing too special about this video. It's just to show you what I do, what I check to start an engine for the first time. Like whether it's a free one or something I bought that has been sitting for a while, or like anyway. Yeah, usually it needs some sort of carburetor clean. Did a bit of a half-ass job on it this time. Without actually taking the carburetor off, it just sprayed some really aggressive cleaning chemicals in there, and it cleans it up a bit, and it actually also helps to start, but it's not good for the engine. So I wonder now, if we try it again, let's say tomorrow, if it will start normally without spray. And either way, I think just put some new oil in there and use it. Yeah, great. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and all the things for the algorithm.